Hey guys, when you're in a situation where you're trying to manage a bunch of data for different clients, especially for a marketing company like ours, where we have different sheets, and let's say you want to be able to see all of your clients and their SEO and the content you're creating, and you want to be able to create multiple sheets, but you only want to share that particular page with a client. Well, what you can do is go to share, publish to web, and then you can uh, pick the document you want to share. In this case, I'm going to do Lauderhill, and the content writer is Tamani. And then I'm going to do the entire web page, and then um, I'm going to do it so it doesn't restrict only to our organization and automatically republishes. So then it creates a link, okay? And then as you can see here, this is the link, okay? But in this situation, if I hit publish, creates a link. Um, I want to, let me see. So in this situation, I want to just do this. Okay. Web page. And then it creates this link right here. Okay. So this is helpful, and this is what it looks like. All right. Um, and this allows you to share only to one tab. Okay. Thanks.